respected teachers, and my dear friends. This is V. Priyashri. I am pursuing 9th grade at Lokshit Tutorial. Today, I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now, I will say complete seminar regarding plasma membrane. Let us go to seminar. Plasma membrane. In this chapter, first I'll ask some simple questions regarding to this lesson. You know what is meant by cell? And what is the unit of cell? And what is the structure of cell? We know that the cell is in the world is called cell. Cell is a basic unit of life. You know, for example, I will say one small logic for this. We build our house because of while building we will put wall beside of us because the robbers should not enter in our house. When the wall was built because of robbers do not come. Like that only cell is one type of protective. For everything cell will be presented. Now example we can take any chocolate or chocolate you can see. To protect chocolate vapor we should put. That is also protective. Live example is our house. To protect. Cell also will protect. Now I will say activity 1. Glucose and waste and nutrients, proteins, fats, minerals and carbon dioxide. In this activity, we have to know this all will go inside or outside of the cell. Yes, glucose, starch and carbon dioxide will not go. Waste, it will not go. Proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats will go inside. This is the activity 1. Cell is a basic unit of life in this activity. In this, I will show some pictures regarding to this. You can see here, this is a one kismis and this is another kismis. First, we have to take 100 ml of water and we should put the inside of kismis and leave it for 1 hour. I done live activity in this. Now you can see this is a 100 ml of water I poured in this glass. You can see here this was kismis, nothing but dry grapes which I put in water, and this is I put before activity, and this is another kismis. It was leave for 1 hour and again take another kismis. It was before I prepared. You can see the water will absorb kismis or not means will observe. When it was blow means it was under osmosis. And this is the before kismis. And separation of sugar. In this first we have to know about sugar solution. While prepare sugar solution, we need sugar and water. Now I take sugar and water and I mix in this glass. You think this water is a solvent and water is solvent and sugar is solute. Without the water and sugar we can mix sugar solution. No, it is impossible to prepare sugar solution. We should take 100 ml of water while preparing sugar solution. Without 100 ml water, if we want 200 ml, we can take any more of water. This is the activity which I saw separation of sugar solution. And our next topic is about preparation of saturated solution. To prepare saturated solution, we need 100 ml of water and dissolve it you should pour some sugar. I poured in this water. I take 100 ml of water and I pour some sugar in this. I fill it after 5 minutes and some sugar will be left here. The sugar will be disposable for us. This is a separated or saturated solution. Now you understand about saturated solution and before sugar and water, sugar solution. In this activity 1 and lab activity, separation of sugar, we learnt about sugar and what are the uses of water, which will go inside of the cell and which will not go. Yes, cell is the basic unit of life. Who discovered the cell? In earlier days, anyone don't know about cells. How they know? In this plasma membrane, we'll discuss it. And our next activity is about this osmosis. Osmosis is nothing but pushing or absorbing water or anything. Now I done one activity. Take one potato, raw potato and 2 syringe and sugar solution we should take. First we boil the potato. After that we should peel the potato waste and should keep outside. After that we take that potato, boiled potato. After that we should cut the total 4 sides of potato. Middle of the potato we should take. In this middle of the potato we should cut in cube shape. Nothing but we can take circular or oval, anything which we like. But I take cube shape. And in that we should pour some sugar solution. Sugar solution how to make? Nothing but take little of water and some sugar syrup and mix it. After that we can make sugar syrup. I done this activity and we need one pin, safety pin or bell pin, anything which pin. You should take this cup and pour half water. After that we should, when I cut this potato and I kept like this. You can see the potato in square shape and this is cube shape. In this middle of the hole we should pour sugar syrup. How much we pour sugar syrup? Upside of that we should keep the pin. This is osmosis. This is one activity which I prepared. You understood about osmosis. And you should observe what the potato was absorbing or water or floating or sinking. It was floating only. And the potato which are weighted, it will sink. We should pour only a little bit of sugar syrup. You can see this was weighted but it was floating. This is one type of activity which you can do at home. And when the osmosis will be presented in this water, because concentrated solute will absorb and concentrated solvent that is known as concentrated solute is called osmosis. Now you understood about osmosis. Osmosis you can observe anywhere. You can take nothing of potato only. Now you should observe before we done with the kismis. Now observe this kismis and this boiled potato. Osmosis. You should compare and write it in your notebook and maintain one activity book before you are doing these activities. You observe that I compared with two these are different types of activities. And this osmosis will be present. You can take vegetables or fruits. In this kismis activity also we can take nothing but kismis only not. We can take any type of fruits or vegetables. I take but kismis and potato. This is the pictures of that. I show now that is only picture and our next topic is about one activity. We should activity 3. In this activity 3 we have to take about one funnel and wheat powder or rice powder and one test tube and we should microscope and stand we should take. You can see here stand and cup and funnel. You should prepare. This is the pictures I drawed regarding to activity 3. And you should take 500 ml of water bottles and cut it down and one cotton cloth also you should need. While cutting down of water bottle, after cutting of water bottle, you should place the cotton cloth on the bottle upside and pour wheat powder or rice powder, and it will absorb, will not. Ask your friend, maybe do like this only. This is the procedure which I done, and this is the activity 3. This is nothing but filtration. There in 6th and 7th and 8th classes you learnt about filtration. This is also one type of filtration which I done. In this we should take help of your parents or teachers. You should not done with your own. And this while doing this we should take this and without this only we can take bottles. Before I explain now, with cotton cloth and pour some sugar, that all I said no. That is also one activity in filtration. This is also one type of activity. Because it was not in everyone home will not be plastic bottles, and this wheat powder will be presented at your homes. And our next activity is function of plasma membrane. In this plasma membrane we have sulfur, and in this plasma membrane first we have to understood about this acidic in nature or which are presented in plasma membrane. Now I will show some pictures regarding to this. And before going to this, recognition, floating and information. In floating in this information there are 7 types. Each one have a different role and size and shape. It can create their shape. We cannot do shape for this cell. It will take as it like this. You can see here activity 3. And before this, functions of plasma membrane, active club barrier and plasma membrane tubes, and this 7 types of we have to know. Each one have different types of functions will be presented. And activity 3, take one egg and take 100 ml of water and keep one egg inside of the water. Wait it until it will go. You in your washrooms or any chemicals will be used now. That chemicals will be put in this glass. After that you should keep it for 10 to 1 hour separately, and after you should take the glass and cut the membrane, and you compare these two. Take 2 test tubes and 2 eggs and 100 ml of water. You can observe like this. I draw a picture regarding to this. This is a picture related to activity 3, and I take one type of egg and this is another test tube. Each one I kept one, and you can see differences in these pictures only. Which I put in normal water and this is tap water. You compare and you should measure the egg with the papers or with the scale. You should take when you are length taking means you should take your parents or teachers' help. If length was due degrees, it will result will come lesser. This is activity 3. In this activity 3, you understood about this eggs and this permeable membrane. Now I will show another picture. And this is a picture of semi-permeable membrane. Take one raw egg and take one test tube and keep that egg in this water, and wait. After that you should cut in middle of the egg membrane and take it outside and take one syringe. Pour some sugar in it. While pouring the sugar in the syringe, we should take the egg and we should pull it, and it will go inside of that. While going it inside of that means now you understood about this. When it will go inside, and after take another egg. You should cut like this. This is I put syringe in this sugar solution, and this is when I make and keep one bowl and pour water, and you should keep this it and observe in this results what will happen. You should take some pictures when you are doing activity. That time you understood which activity we done. And importance osmosis in living organisms. Roots will take out water with the help of the osmosis. Osmosis in our daily life everywhere will be presented. Coming sweat in our body or any type of cutting of it. Your mother also while get vegetables, your mother will wash vegetables. After that, some vegetables will blow. Why? Because the osmosis will be entered with the concentration of solute and solvent. Osmosis of living organisms. This is the full form of this. You understood? Osmosis means pushing or absorbing of water. And our next activity, diffusion. Diffusion. What is meant by diffusion? We Indians worship earth as a mother, and we should. Indians will do pujas, Hindus will do pujas, and every members will do puja at your home. When you kept matchstick or anything, when you are kept on this sticks, agarbatti, and the smell will come total house. How it will come total house means the diffusion will be will in one room we kept means total house will come that diffusion. Another example is scent. In our daily life we use different types of and different flavors of scent we are seeing. When we spray in our body, the scent smell will come to other persons also. No? How the diffusion will take place. Everywhere the diffusion will take place. Another one example is take 1 cup of water and pour 100 ml of water or which you want sufficient of water. Take coffee powder and pour slowly. The diffusion will take place. Nothing but when you are drinking of milk or boost or Horlicks powder, you will mix in this coffee powder. That time diffusion also will take place. Your mother was cooking any delicious food, that time also diffusion will become. There was so many things which are diffusion. And first another activity is take 1 cup and pour before only sugar and coffee powder. After that slowly you should pour water. The small particles will become upset, that will take diffusion. This is also one type of activity. And our next topic is about, now you understand about this activity all. Keep a small crystal CuSO4. After that you should take 1 cup of water and mix it and take 3 cups of water. Each cup we should take 100 ml of water, and you should, in first cup you should pour 1 spoon of sugar and take another cup. You should pour 3-4 spoons of sugar, and last cup you should pour half spoon of sugar. In these 3 cups which will take diffusion fast? Think and say. Yes. Which will took fast means 3rd cup, because we pour some little only, because it will take fast diffusion. And first activity we pour 1 cup and this is 3-4 spoon of cup we poured. In these 3 activities which I done, these 3 activities, and this is Kismis activity, and this is sugar solution, and this is osmosis, and this which are doing diffusion and filtration. Filtration we cannot do because we should take the help of teachers. That's why I done these 3 types of activities. Now you understood in this lesson what are the diffusion and semi-permeable membrane and basic the cell of unit of life, plasma membrane. In these activities now you understood about filtration also. In these 3 activities, which activities we will see more in our daily life? Diffusion and absorption Kismis activities we will able to see. And last activity in this chapter is nothing but the process which at the same time the smell or anything will diffuse in your room and you kept out of the room, then also the smell will appear. It's known as diffusion. You learned about 4 types of diffusion, 4 activities in this. Thank you for watching, spending time for watching my video.